How to disconnect YouTube account from TV. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Visneth, and today I'll guide you on how you can disconnect YouTube account from TV. Now, you can easily go ahead and log out your YouTube account on the TV as well, like you do it on the mobile as well. However, if you want to do it on your phone, you want to disconnect it, then what you can do is you can simply open up YouTube, right? Head into your profile. Under profile, you can see the option that says Google account there. Tap on it and then select the particular account that is logged in on your TV. Once here, you'll see this. Swipe to the right and head into security. Under security, you want to scroll down here and you can see you'll be able to see the option where you are signed in, your devices. Simply tap on manage all devices and you'll be able to see the list of devices your account is on. In my case, it's on another phone here, the Huawei Y9, and I'm on this phone, as you can see here. So if you have a TV connected, your account connected to TV, then it'll pop up right here. You can tap on it and then you can go ahead and sign it out from there. So this way you can sign out or disconnect YouTube from TV. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.